Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Dailymotion. So here I'm in the Dailymotion app. Now once you're here too, you will see this plus button at the bottom. Click on it. Now in here it will give you the upload videos option. Now in here click on select video files and upload a video that you want to upload to Dailymotion. Now after you selected the video, you can change the title, you can enter in description, you can select a category for your video, and you can also change the language, and you can also add some subtitles if you want to. And after you're done with all that, click on next right here. Now in here you can answer yes or no to the question, is your content created for kids? You can restrict access to sensitive content, and you can also enable or disable paid partnership, and after you're done with that, click on next. Now in here you can choose the privacy, and you can also add it to a playlist if you want to, and after that click on save. And after some time you will get this pop-up video published and your video would be uploaded. So that is how you can upload your videos to Dailymotion. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Dailymotion. So here I'm at the website of Dailymotion. Now once you're here to click on your profile picture at the top right. Now in here go to studio. Now once you're in the studio, click on add video at the top right. Now after that select video files. And after that select a video that you want to upload. Now in here you can change the title of the video, you can add a description, select a category, and after that change the language and also add subtitles if you want to. And after you're done with all that, click on next right here. Now in here you would have to select either yes or no for the question, is your content created for kids? I would go for no. And after that scroll down. You can also restrict access to sensitive content, and you can also enable paid partnership if you want to. And after that click on next. Now in here you can choose the privacy from here, and you can also add it to a playlist if you want to, and after that click on save. And here as you guys can see, my video has been uploaded. So that is how you can upload your videos to Dailymotion.